first thing you need to do from the bookshelf dashboard is push your books to the base. This synchronizes all of your book listing data to your Airtable base so you can perform further searches and filters and analysis of your book portfolio data. The Push Books to Airtable button will send everything on the first page of books in your bookshelf by the default amount, which is set to 10 books per page. You can change this to 25 or 50 if you have a lot of books to push. Once you click the button, it turns red, indicating a process is underway, and you can click this again to stop the push at any time. A small number of tabs will open in your browser, and KDP Wizard will cycle through the 3 edit pages for each of these books, saving all the data it finds on each page for every book. Feel free to have your base open during this process to see your data being added to your base in real time. You'll notice a progress indicator in the dashboard. Once this reaches the end and disappears, you can click to the next page of books in your bookshelf and repeat the process until all books have been synced to your base. Optionally, you can also click to push individual books if you only want some of them in your base. Command click or Control click on PC to open in a tab behind. If you have a paperback and ebook linked, there will be a button for each title, and these will have their own separate records in the bookshelf table, so sales data and reviews can be isolated to the corresponding book type. Automatic sync isn't currently enabled, but will be soon in a future upgrade. This will simulate pushing your entire bookshelf one page of 50 at a time. Once available, we'll make an announcement.